are ready to roll. Catch some bass. It's been so long. So it's the bass opening, and we've hit the road. So we're gonna go to the lake.
Yeah.
Should probably get there in like what, a couple hours.
Where?
To the lake?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, something like that. It's 6:20 right now. See how long it'll take us to get there. So we're at the lake, and it's 6:23. Took us a long time, but we're here. And today's challenge, biggest fish declares the winner. Smallest fish declares the barbecue of the Twinkies.
I'm dreading those Twinkies.
Yeah, we love those Twinkies, but we dread to cook them. There we go. You net? I don't know. I got him though. A nice smallie. I got that one on a slow presentation. Yeah, I like topped it a couple times, let it sit. It hit once and then came back for it. Caught another one, but the camera was not rolling. Oh well. Little guy on the drop shot. Dave didn't catch anything. Dave, how do you feel?
Good.
Yeah? How do you feel about having to make Twinkies for me?
Pardon me?
How do you feel about having to make Twinkies for me?
Ah, that's okay. It's my birthday, I can do it.
I'm making the guy barbecue me Twinkies on his birthday. But he lost fair and square.
Yeah.
Though he did have a big one hooked on. I gotta give him that. It would have beat my big one, but he didn't land it. Spit it off on the top water. Oh, yeah.
Hey, whatever. It happens.
Yeah. Dave.
What on?
So as the bet goes, you have to do the honors of barbecuing them.
Yeah, I just realized you guys.
Mom!
I forget the girls that were in it.
Alright, so this is for the bet.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you for the
Get
Twinkie.
it while it's hot. Where's the other napkin though?